Oh my god, it's like 7 a.m. This sucks. Just walked out to the greenhouse and it's a little colder. It's actually colder today than it was yesterday. I checked this yesterday and it wasn't like this. Oh man. I lost some stuff this morning, that's for sure. Even the mustard's pissed off. They got this whole area of mustard. It's a mustard sickle. Frozen solid. There's the Nopales. Frozen solid. Look at that. White as ghost. Oh, frozen. Frozen to a crisp. We'll see if that comes back. It's always been resistant. All these cactuses. But the greenhouse is that's what sucks. It's frozen. There's a heater in there. You can see it. There's ice all over it. I hear it crunching. It's frozen. It's certainly warmer in there than it is out here, but I mean, that's the door. That is ice. It's definitely never been this cold here before. Not since we've been here. That really sucks. That's rough. I don't know what it's going to look like inside there. I mean, I do. I crawled in there, but I don't know what this is going to look like when we get done. That's disappointing. I thought that heater was going to be enough. That was our bigger heater. Smudge pots out of diesel. Just running out. I stuffed it up in there between these two, so it's still just a little warm. Definitely getting hit. It is too cold to be out here. Oh my god. They're so cold right now. 21.3 is what I measured just a few minutes ago when I came out. 21.3 degrees. That is not Florida weather. I gotta get back inside. Wow, even look at the strawberry guava. Doesn't look happy. Purple forest guava definitely doesn't look happy. Hopefully this thing will bounce back in the spring. Hopefully this is the last of it. Oh my god, this sucks. I was unsure about any of my plants. I can be sure about them now. They're dead. There's definitely some dead stuff. Oh my god. This is not how I thought this was going to finish up. I thought we might get not as bad today. It's worse today. I don't know, honey. You can go light the greenhouse on fire. That might help. No. It's going to warm up in a couple hours. We're just going to hope for the best. That's it. Hope for the best. Snuggle with my cat. That's what I'm going to do for now. And let's all cry about it together later.